Hey guys, this is Maria from CanXida's nutrition team, and today's customer question is, how can I follow the Candida diet on a budget? We all know the importance of eating a diet rich in fresh whole foods. Organic produce, grass-fed meats, and wild-caught fish provide an abundance of nutrition without the harmful pesticides and additives. The challenge is that these high-quality foods are more expensive when compared to processed and conventionally grown food. There are surprising ways to save money while still putting nutritious meals on the table. Get organized. The first step in saving money on groceries is to take inventory of your fridge and pantry. Keep a list of everything in your pantry. Meal plan. Once a week, set aside some time to plan out meals for the coming days. This doesn't have to be super elaborate, but have a general idea of the dishes you plan to cook. Go over the recipes and identify which ingredients are already on hand and which you'll need to purchase. A simple meal plan might look something like this. Breakfast, frittata and smoothies. Proteins, roast chicken, ground turkey. Carbs, summer squash, sweet potatoes, and grain-free noodles. Keep a list of foods and ingredients by category. Frozen, produce, pantry. This way you only buy what you need and avoid wasting food and money. Audit your spending. Consider tracking all your expenses for a month. You might be surprised at how small impulse purchases add up and decide you would rather put that money towards high-quality food. Compare prices. Grocery prices vary widely between stores and online retailers, so it's worth finding the best deal on the items you purchase regularly. Make a list of the staples you buy regularly and compare prices to find the best place to source them. Stock up on non-perishables like canned beans when they go on sale. Shop online. There are many new online retailers and services that offer organic foods at lower prices and with free shipping. Buy in bulk. You'll often pay less per serving when you purchase in bulk. Just be smart about what you choose and only buy items you will actually use. Buy ingredients rather than products. For example, gluten-free flour instead of crackers. Choose less expensive meats. Whole chicken provides multiple meals at a much better price. You can even use the leftover bones to create your own broth. Ground meat is a great deal compared with prime cuts, and it can be prepared in a variety of ways, like burgers, meatballs, meatloaf, taco meat, and more. Organ meats are very nutrient-dense and affordable. You can add a small amount of ground liver to a flavorful meatloaf or make a pate. Wild-caught seafood can be pricey, but buying it canned is a great affordable option. Look for wild-caught canned salmon, sardines, mackerel, packing water, or olive oil. Choosing seasoned produce. It will be at its peak of freshness and affordability. Prioritize what to buy organic. Some products rely heavily on pesticides while others don't. Check the Dirty Dozen and Clean 15 list. Grow your own herb. Even if you don't have space for a garden, herbs can be easily grown on a sunny windowsill. Buy frozen. Organic frozen berries, broccoli, peas tend to be much more affordable than fresh and are equally nutritious. Embrace the staples. Many nutritious staples like cabbage, onion, carrots, potatoes, and bananas are very affordable. Learn to adapt recipes. Generally, you can swap ingredients in the same category and the recipe will still work well. Reduce waste. Use beet greens in a salad. Make stock with chicken bones and veggie scraps. Make pesto with carrot tops or stems of cilantro and parsley. Make staples. Salad dressings, nut butters, and cooking fats are surprisingly easy to make at home for a fraction of the price. Avoid convenient items like energy bars, beverages, and freezer meals, which end up costing much more than they're worth. Make your own healthy treats and meals with quality ingredients will save you a lot of money in the long term. We hope this answers your question. If you want to contact us for more information, please email us at support@CanXida.com and we'll get back to you. At CanXida, your health is important to us.